Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Today I'm going to be comparing side by side with the HTVront AutoPress, the Makerflo 20-ounce tumblers, and the HTVront 20-ounce tumblers. So let's get going. So first off, Makerflo's packaging is super cool. I did gift these last year and it just does the wow factor for you when you're giving this to somebody. The Makerflo itself will come with the straw outside of the cup. It has to kind of be diagonal in there. It has the little stopper at the end. Love the plastic straws with stoppers. My favorite straws. Then the cup looks pretty similar to all the other 20 ounces, but there are slight differences when you get to see these in person and the more you use them. So it has the rubber stopper that goes inside, so it'll seal pretty nicely. The top has a sliding closing mechanism. And then the inside has your tumbler care package. The bottom is just metal. And then HTVront comes in this fun galaxy pattern box, which is decent, but I really love this part that comes with it, which really elevates the feel of the cup. The cup is actually more straight, and you'll see that in the demo. The bottom has a little metal sticker you might want to take off, but you'll cover it with that. And then the inside looks like that. The lid actually has a rubber stopper, which I really love, and this is what I don't like. I'm not a fan of this metal straw and how thin it is. So to start, I did them exactly the same. I did not wrap the tape around the ends because I just wanted to see how they would turn out and see if it would work. This is the Makerflo, and you see that there's a slight taper on both edges, so it definitely will need tape if you go with the Makerflo. I did them the exact same just to test it out, and the HTVront actually ended up being pretty good even without tape on the edges. But I ultimately decided that for the final tutorial I would tape the edges, and you can see that in my full video on how to use this HTVront tumbler press, which is super simple. It really is just a matter of remembering the time settings. But this is the final way that I did it, and the winner of the contest today was the HTVront. I really loved how the edges are just straight and super simple and easy to use. And I will just replace the straw by getting a plastic straw for these cups. Okay, so you can see there's a slight height difference in the tumblers, which makes a big difference with the size because these are going to be wider. This is the HTVront, this is the Makerflo, and this is another HTVront. So HTVront that we did with the tape around the top, Makerflo without tape, HTVront without tape. So definitely you're not as needing of tape on these guys, but when you do tape it, you're going to get the best maximum coverage, and then you will definitely want to tape if you're getting the Makerflo. I will say I like the bottom much better on the HTVront. I like the straw better on the Makerflo, and I like the lid about the same. I haven't drank out of them, so I'm not sure, but I do like that there's a rubber stopper on the HTVront. So that's my final thoughts. They all work great. They both work great. And let's compare prices. I'm gonna check Amazon. I'll have links to all of these if you need links to where these are at, so you can check prices, but it looks like things are gonna vary just a little bit. So I first started looking through Amazon. Makerflo, actually their 25 pack is $208. And on Amazon, if you're going that route, HTVront's 20 pack is actually only $97. So get yourself some different straws and go this route for sure. It also looks like it comes with sublimation paper, shrink wrap if you need it, if you're not using the press. So this is definitely going to be the biggest bang for your buck if you're going Amazon. But I would check the Makerflo website. I have a link on my sales page. I will always update with any like really cool stuff that any of my preferred vendors are doing through that page. But like if you're shopping this, you can get a 50% off or buy one case, get one free. So I don't know why you would need 50 unless you're an actual business. But I highly, highly suggest checking out Makerflo because they have some really cool tumbler options like glitter and a bunch of stuff like that. But like I said, HTVront, 97 bucks for 20. And then you also don't have to buy 20. If you want to just buy 4, you're looking at $21 for a 4-pack. I mean, get your presents, get them made, save the money and buy the press, and start out with these ones, you know? So sell a few, do what you need to do, pay for itself. Prices are good on both of these, but again, you do your investigation and I'll have links down in the description. Love you guys. Bye.